This is the Triumph Daytona 660. Alright, very responsive. Well, yung position ko dito is hindi siya masyadong nakayuko. Not unlike the other sports bike or super sports na talagang nakayuko ka, no? So, this one is medyo upright ng kaunti lang, just a little bit. And I noticed yung legs ko is hindi talaga siya naka-totally bend. So, hindi mataas yung foot pegs natin. Then yung kanyang tank is flat at hindi ako masyadong naka-lean forward. So I would say if you are using this na long ride, medyo forgiving to, no? And it will help you to accumulate more kilometers sa bike na to. Okay din tong bike na to, no? Iba yung 3-cylinder. It really give you power sa lahat ng RPM range. It has 660 engine. Then 3-cylinder. It has 3 riding modes. Merong rain, road, and sports. 5.9 tayo. Is natutukod ko naman yung dalawang paa ko sa ground. Meron tayong front fork na Showa SFF BP, non-adjustable siya. Then sa rear shock, I think preload adjustable lang ang meron. Mahaba yung bike. But ang maganda nito, hindi ka masyadong nakasubsob. Kung naghahanap ka ng sports bike, then ayaw mo naman masyadong sub-sub like the other sports bike, try mo tong Daytona 660. It's a sport bike but not sports, you know what I mean. Okay din yung suspension niya, ha? Hindi siya ganun sobrang lambot. And it should be hard dapat kasi sports to, eh. So it's sports bike, usually talaga matitigas ang mga shocks niya, no? Adjustable din ang kanyang front brake lever. Share ko lang guys, no 2019 Daytona 765 ng Triumph ang official engine na gamit sa Moto2. Ito ngayon yung triple RS, I think, na model ng Triumph. Then discontinued yun. Then eventually bumalik si Daytona na 660 na yung engine, which is ito yung same engine ng Tiger, ng Trident at ito. Different tuning lang bawat bike, but they have or they share the same engine. So basically heritage na ng Triumph itong Daytona, and hopefully magtuloy-tuloy at hindi na siya mag-discontinue.